by Frontier Health. Do you know what to do if someone is experiencing a mental health or substance abuse crisis? Well, Frontier Behavioral Health has the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. And this morning, Kim Crowder with Frontier Health is here to discuss the 988 Lifeline and other services and support that Frontier Health offers. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Tough question to start off with here, but if you have a loved one or a friend who's talking about harming or killing themselves, what should you do?
That's a great question, and maybe not even if, but when, as we've seen such a prevalence. I think the first thing to do is don't panic.
Right.
Go ahead and lean into the conversation, assuring them that there are options, but first listen.
Just being a good listener. It goes a long way, doesn't it?
It goes an incredibly long way.
And you know, we were talking about that 988 Lifeline service. Talk to us more about that. Tell us about what is offered on the other end of that line when folks dial.
An amazing array of call center operators and crisis counselors who can take care of anything from a simple resource and referral information on how to get to Turning Point or an emergency room, all the way to active rescues for folks who are in the process of an attempt.
And on average, how many phone calls do you think 988 receives during a month?
Well, you're in luck. I just asked the call center director,
Okay.
5,000 to 6,000.
And you know, beyond that, Frontier Health offers so many services when
do.
it comes to mental and substance abuse. They're myriad. I mean, if you need help, help is available.
We're your people.
Right.
We're everywhere.
It's good to have people.
We're your people.
Yes.
And we show up. We're everywhere. We're not hard to find. We're in the upper 8 counties of Northeast Tennessee and into the 3 there in Southwest Virginia as well.
Right. Besides having those conversations with folks, and they may tell you that they're having some kind of issue.
Yeah.
What are some of the other signs that folks need to be looking out for?
Gosh, anything that takes a person off of what we call their normal baseline. Trust your instinct. If they are good at returning calls and text messages and showing up for dinner, and then suddenly they aren't,
Right.
and then suddenly they aren't, and they stay that way, little isolation, loneliness, are they missing work, or if it's a youngster missing school. You know.
So anything off of that baseline,
Anything off that
if something
baseline.
is completely out of the ordinary for someone,
Absolutely.
maybe take a moment and listen to them and talk to them and get them the help that they need.
Yeah, and ask them what's going on.
Yeah,
that's a question we ask a lot.
What a great question.
What's going on?
What's going on with
Yeah,
you? Yeah.
what's going on?
Timely question here. We're almost to the anniversary of Hurricane Helene devastating several areas in our region, and you all stepped in. And because folks needed help, not only physically, but they needed help spiritually and emotionally and mentally. And y'all helped that with a lot of that during the past year, haven't you?
We absolutely did. We jumped in immediately. We mobilized quickly. True strength of Frontier Health, and we're not afraid to get out there. So we showed up boots on the ground from Johnson County on down.
What are some of the things you've done during the past year?
Wow. Initially, we really were going to the Red Cross shelters and helping out with FEMA offices and getting people services and just talking with people who had survived the flood, collecting a lot of stories, rocking a lot of babies, handing out a lot of water bottles and Bibles.
Well, thank you for everything that you and Frontier Health have done during the past year and for the many years before that and into the future as well. Thank you.
Our pleasure.
All right, folks. Frontier Behavioral Health at 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline, vitally important. If you see someone who you think needs help, please contact someone today. The preceding segment sponsored by Frontier Health.